Good morning, students. Hope you are all keeping well and studying seriously. Today, in your language class, let's revise a narration change of assertive sentence. The rules of narration change of assertive sentence you have thoroughly done in your first summative. So, today only a revision class. See the first example. I have taken a direct speech. The boy said, I have met Prithvi today. Now, why it is direct? Because the speech of the boy, what the boy said, the words are kept in double inverted comma. So, these are the words directly said by the boy, and that is kept in double inverted comma. So, it is direct speech. Now, if you are asked to change this to indirect, then what does this mean? Now, the boy's speech or the words will be narrated by someone else. So, that time what is the rule? In indirect speech, you have to write the boy said, and after that, see the inverted comma here in direct speech. This inverted comma will be omitted. Hope you all remember this. So, this inverted comma will be omitted, and in place of this inverted comma, you have to bring that. Don't forget this. Without that, indirect speech is incomplete. So, the boy said that he dash met Prithvi that day. So here I have put a dash, he will answer me. So what will be the answer? See, in the direct speech, the reporting verb is said. So I hope you all remember the rule. When the reporting verb is in past, then the tense of the reported speech will be changed to its corresponding past. That means here it is have met present perfect. It will be changed to what? Yes, past perfect. Those who remember, very good. So it will be he had made. It will be had. Here it will be had. So the boy said that he had met Prithvi that day. Now see, today has become that day. It is another rule. When this type of adverbs will be there, they will be also changed to something else if the reporting verb is said past. So today will become that day, previous day will become the yesterday will become the previous day, tomorrow will become the next day or the following day. So this list you got earlier. So these few things you have to keep in mind when changing direct to indirect. Now come to the next example. The farmer said to his sons, unity is strength. Now it is also in direct speech because the speech of the farmer is kept in double inverted comma. Unity is strength. Now in indirect speech, what will be the answer? The farmer said to, very important, said to will be changed to told. Remember this. Said to will no more be said to, it will be told. The farmer told his sons. Now you have to omit this inverted comma. So in place of this inverted comma, you have to write that the farmer told his sons that unity is strength. Now all of you have noticed that here no change of tense is done. Why? Why it is not unity was strength? Because it is universal truth. When a universal truth or habitual fact will be there, that time no change of tense, though the reporting verb is past. Right? So come to the next example. The lady says the landlord is very cruel. So the lady says the landlord is very cruel. Have you noticed the reporting verb here? Says. So if the reporting verb is in simple present tense or future tense or present perfect tense, not past, like the first one, in that case, the tense of the reported speech will no more be changed. It will remain as it is, only you will remove the double inverted comma, and in place of that you will write that. So the answer will be, the lady says that the landlord is very cruel. No change of tense. And number 4, you will answer me. Direct speech is Deepa said to her brother, you gave me this magazine. last month. Now Deepa said to her brother, reporting verb is what? Said to. Yes. So said to reporting verb, that means in indirect speech it will be what? You all know, it will be told. Okay. So Deepa told her brother that now you gave me this magazine. You means who? Her brother. So it will be he. Deepa told her brother that he. Now gave. All of you see the tense. Tense is past. Past tense will be changed to what? How many of you recall this? Past tense will be changed to past perfect. So it will be past perfect means had. Had what? Had given. Okay. So Deepa told her brother that he had given her. Now this magazine, this will become that here magazine. Now last month will become the previous month. Okay, last month will become the previous month. The, don't forget to write the also. The, then previous, I am writing here only, try to understand. Previous, US, previous, again month. Okay. So this way the answer will be written. Deepa told her brother that he had given her that magazine the previous month. Okay, now this much is clear. So now just see the rules I am showing you again. This is the list. If in direct speech this type of time expressions are there, then they will be changed to this. See, now will become then. Okay, this will become that. These will become those. Here will become there. Today, that day. Tonight, that night. Tomorrow, the next day or the following day. So this way the changes will take place. At the same time, I am showing you one more list. Here the change of tense. If it is in direct speech simple present tense, direct speech simple present tense will become simple past. Present continuous, past continuous. Simple past, past perfect. Present perfect, past perfect. Here it is will, not only will, shall, both becomes would. Okay, don't think that shall will become should. Shall will both become would. Can becomes could. May becomes might. So this way the change of tenses is also very important. You have to keep in mind. So all these rules you have with you in your notebook. Revise those and see the examples again and again. Hope everything will be clear to you.